Hey, graphic designers everywhere use these five websites to make money online selling their design services, and you as well can do it because I do it as well, and you as well can do it. Alright guys, before we get into today's video, I want to tell you guys that we have a like goal. Let's have a like goal of 15 likes. 15 just 15 likes. If you can give me 15 likes, I'll make a part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 to this series. Why I say part 2, 3, 4, 5 is because to part 6, because I'm going to explain in each of those videos. I'm going to give you exactly how you can make money on graphic design with each and every one of these websites. So once we hit 15 likes, I promise I'll do it. But if we don't hit 15 likes, I'll still do it, but it will come very, very much later. So anyway, let's get right into the video. What are they? Number one is Fiverr. I've mentioned Fiverr many times in the past, and it's a website where people like you and I who have different types of skills, for example graphic design, can go on there and offer our services in forms of gigs. Then clients go up there and when they search for example graphic design, they get their results. Then they scroll through the different results of the people offering graphic design services. Then they choose the one who they want and buy from them, get their job, pay the money. The person gets their money. Fiverr gets 20% of the money. That's how Fiverr works. That's just a brief 30-second explanation of how Fiverr works. This video is not sponsored by Fiverr in any way, so you should know that it is free. Integrity all the way. Now, one thing you should know that I've mentioned already is that no matter how much money you charge, Fiverr will always take 20%. So if you charge $100 for a graphic design, Fiverr will only give you $80 because they're going to take $20. If you charge $50, you are only going to take $45 from it, and like that. So that's basically how Fiverr works. If you want to know how you can create a successful Fiverr gig, how you can create a successful Fiverr gig, and what you can do to get more and more buyer requests, look at the first and second link in the description. But after I'm done with this video, the second one is Upwork. Upwork is very, very similar to Fiverr. The only difference here is that you can choose the option to be paid hourly. For example, you can ask to be paid $50 per hour, and you can be asked to be paid $100 per hour. It depends on how good you are and how much time it takes you to make a particular design. If you know you can't just set a fixed price, you can go onto Upwork and then get paid per hour or per day as long as you want, as much as you want. Sorry. Now, another thing here is that Upwork also takes a percentage of the money that you earn. I don't really know how much it is because it varies from time to time. But that's the key similarity between Fiverr and Upwork. Now the third one is my personal favorite, which is Behance. Now the thing about Behance is that it is strictly for graphic designers and everything has to do with graphic design. The thing about Behance is that you create a portfolio, it's similar. It looks like an Instagram page. It's an Instagram page. Graphic designers will follow you. You can follow graphic designers. You can like their works. Then buyers or people who need graphic designs can also go through here, look at different designers, pick those that they want, and pay them. You can link your how do I say it? You can link your Fiverr gigs, your Upwork gigs, or even your WhatsApp number to your Behance portfolio, and then whoever wants to buy from you can come onto your portfolio, click your links, get to you wherever you are. But then the only issue with this is that not a lot of buyers come to Behance. Behance, 98% of the people on Behance are designers. Only 2% of the people on Behance are people that are actually looking to buy. So your chances of actually making sales are quite slim. But, and this is a big but, those who when you can actually charge high prices on Behance. For example, if you were to charge on Fiverr, if you were to charge $1,000, you will get very few customers. But on Behance, if you were to charge $1,000, people who come to Behance are ready to pay $1,000. Do you hear that right? People who come to Behance are ready to pay $1,000 for a graphic design. That's why I really like Behance. So if anyone messages me on Behance, from Behance, I can easily charge as much as I want and get away with it so far as I give them enough value. That's how great Behance is. Now the remaining two websites where graphic designers can make money from is very, very generic, and I can bet you that since you are on YouTube, you are also on these two websites. Now the first one is Facebook. Now I've made a total of 10 sales just from Facebook, 10 graphic design sales just from Facebook. Not graphic design specifically, not all of them came to me to ask me for design. A few of them came to me to ask them to teach. A few of them came to me to sell them resources. But the point, case in point, is that I made 10 sales from graphic design on Facebook. Now, how you can do this is that you can create a Facebook profile for graphic design. Are you enjoying today's video so far? You are? Wait, why haven't you liked the video yet? Have you forgotten our like goal? I hope I've not forgotten our like goal. 15 likes. So yeah, like the video. If you're new here, also subscribe. Now, let's continue. We can create a Facebook page for graphic design. Now, I use those two methods. Now, the Facebook profile and Facebook page did not work for me. What worked for me was that I got into different Facebook groups for graphic designers. Then once someone makes a post like, I need a graphic designer or I need a logo design, which is very, very common in graphic design groups, because people can just jump into random graphic design groups and be like, hello, I need a graphic designer. Then I jump into that DM as quickly as possible, because I turn on notifications on the groups. So once someone makes a post, I jump into that DM, message them, do my strategies, my marketing strategies, and make the sale. So that's how it works that's how you can do it on Facebook. You can copy and paste my exact method that I've just mentioned. I'm probably going to make a video, a full-length video explaining how I do this in the future. But for now, just make do with what I've just said. Now, the last one is Instagram. Now, if you're a graphic designer and you don't have an Instagram page for a graphic designer, can you please just get one, make yourself one, because I don't know why. Now, what I do is that I have one page for graphic design and my YouTube channel in general. That one is my personal page. If you want to check it out and follow me, please follow me. You can see the third link in the description. Now, what I did there is that for over a period of time, I will post graphic design. Over a period of time, I will post business content like I do on this channel. Now, the thing is that I had an Instagram page before, but it got hacked. I don't know why they hacked the page. It's not like it has up to 1,000 followers then. But now I created a new one and it has around 80 followers now. Now, please follow me on that page so we can grow the community both on YouTube and on Instagram. So now here's what you can do. Now here's the strategy. Post your graphic designs on your Instagram page, or make your graphic design. It doesn't have to be paid design jobs. You can make random designs, or just do some practice designs, then post it on Instagram and consistently do that. You won't make sales on the first day, you won't make sales on the second day, you might not even make sales in the first month, but what you need to do is to consistently do it. I'll make a video on how I made like 3 graphic design sales on Instagram, and how I'm currently making money with graphic design through Instagram. I'm going to make a separate video on that in the future. So if this video gets up to 5 likes, I say 5 likes, if this video gets up to 15 likes, I'll make those 2 videos. But if it doesn't get up to 15 likes, I'll make them on a later date. But if this video can get up to 15 likes, I'll make that video as quickly as possible. So anyway, as I said, once you make those posts, what you're going to want to do is that you can go on to pages of people that need graphic designs. For example, if you specialize on logo designs, you can go on to Instagram pages that you see don't have logo designs. Then you can message them, create a bond, create a relationship with them. Then after like a week or a month, or as long as it takes for you to get a relationship with them, you're like, I've noticed that you don't have a logo, or you don't have a so graphic design. They say, hey, it's true, it's just that I haven't been able to do it, blah blah blah. They will tell you something. Then you can say, okay, do you know I can do it for you, but it will not be free though. Don't actually say that though. I'm just giving an example. Say, hey, I can do it for you, but you know it will not be free. They'll be like, wow, really? How much will it cost? Give them now. If you charge for 2,000 naira, tell them you charge for 5,000 naira. If they say 5,000, if they agree, nice. But if they don't, start pricing it down to your 2,000 naira. That's the best way to do it. Don't just tell them 2,000 naira straight. Give a higher price above 2,000 naira, then price it down to your 2,000 naira. That's how I do it. That's how I do things. Now, those are the 5 websites. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you leave a like. And also, I want you to watch the video you're seeing on the screen right now. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, please make sure you share this video to everybody that you know will benefit from my videos. So once again, my name is Alam Akonde. You have just enjoyed today's video, which I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day.